How to go full screen on Google Chrome on Windows. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can go full screen on Google Chrome on Windows. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to open Google Chrome. Once you open it up, now the shortcut key to go full screen is to press the F11 key from your keyboard. So once you press F11 key, there you can see it's now on full screen. If you like to exit from full screen, then again you have to press F11 and there you can see it's now exit. Now the other way is to navigate to your top right corner and click on this 3 vertical line dotted icon. A menu bar will pop up. Now navigate to this zoom. So next to that, at the very end, there is a small icon that says full screen. If you click on it, there you can see it's now again on full screen. Now to exit from it, you have to move your mouse cursor at the top right corner. After you do that, this cross mark icon will pop up in your interface. All you have to do is click on it and there you go, it's now exit from the full screen. So that's how you can go to full screen in Google Chrome in Windows, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.